In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to fix battery drain on your iPhone after the latest iOS 18.3 update. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going over to our settings, and in here we're going to General, and then we click on Software Update to check if we are on the latest version. And right now I am on the latest 18.3 version, and you need to make sure that you are also on this latest version because this will cause a lot of bug fixes and also battery draining issues. So assuming you have this done and you still want to fix the issue, what you can do then is you can go over to your battery section, and in here first you can check your battery health. And as you can see, my maximum capacity is 100%, but let's say your battery capacity is less than 80%. This can also contribute to a lot of battery draining, because this simply means that your battery is not really functioning well anymore. So it might be suitable for a replacement. But of course, this is a drastic decision. There are also some other things you can do, which I'm going to show you now. For example, you can look at your data. You can see which apps are using the most of your battery. And let's say we have WhatsApp and Snapchat in here, and it says background activity. So this means that these apps are running in the background and they're causing a lot of battery draining in the background. And there is a way to switch this off, and I'm going to show you right now how that works. So we're going back, we're going to General, we're going to scroll down to Background App Refresh. And in here you can manually select the app you want, and you can turn off the Background App Refresh, and this will cause a lot less battery draining as well. And the last thing that we can do is we can go over to our App Store and then go to our downloaded apps. And for this, you need to make sure that you have every app updated to the latest version, because some apps can have bugs which can cause a lot of battery draining, and updates can reduce the amount of bugs and make apps run more smoothly, which means that they will need less battery usage. So these are some ways you can apply to fix your battery draining. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.